T1 from P3. Upgraded my mono amp. I believe I showed that up. That's a 4 channel. Turn it up some.
Niggas shooting up the church, now I need a pistol. All them niggas still living, you don't see the issue. But how you take a leader, then you take a leader with you. I ain't trying to disrespect, just need a meter with you. I ain't trying to overstep, just want a reason with you. Give us like I love, want to take the evil with you. Let them suck it straight to hell, they don't need a vision. I need you to give us back. Take all Cali, give us back Malcolm. Take all Cali, R.I.P. Lil Snoop, get that boy's life back. Take Eric Holder, give us the act right back. I'm sending you this message, Lord, I hope you hit me right back. They say I'm on the wrong train, I know I'm on the right track. Cause Trayvon Gordon only did was try to fight back. Zimmerman walk around free, we don't like that. Why you take our mothers from us? Fathers and our sisters and our cousins from us. Got these children getting murdered while they double dutching. Wonder why the fuck you take Nipsey Hussle from us. Damn, you took the true king and true brother from us. There's a fucking marathon, but they
It's not hard to do. Nice clean bass. Like I said, I upgraded from the P3s to the T1. A lot deeper bass. If you going through a system, because my whole thought process through it, I just wanted something that'll bump a little bit more than factory. But once actually getting into it, and it was like, yeah, it's hitting. It's definitely more bass than factory, but it was like, you know what, I might as well go all the way. And I did a T1 4 voice coil. Bangs. Like I said, like you sitting in it, it's just nothing but pure sound. Your seats vibrate, everything sound good. I don't know how good it's coming off in the video, but in person it's like, damn, that thing's hitting. And then I put a system in a truck too, Tahoe. I did 2 T1s in that as well. And I just went system crazy, but I definitely recommend upgrading your systems.